we're going here. All right, so I want to go. Okay, someone just said I want to speak to my mum. Okay, you want to speak to your mum? Who are you? All right, I need to go with a female here. There's someone. There's a female. Okay, I don't know whether someone has lost their daughter, but there's a. Okay. I'm just going to go to scroll down here because I've got someone who lost their daughter. There's a feeling of a daughter figure that's passed. Okay, all right, she's just said, she's there. I'm like, okay, fine, all right, she's there. All right, okay, I'm going to go with Claire here because Claire, good morning, Claire, how are you?
Good morning, I'm fine, thank you, Lisa.
Okay, so it sounds to me, you're the only person who's lost the daughter on my little switchboard, so I'm coming to you.
Oh.
All right, so something was showing, all right, could your daughter be quite a fun-loving girl as well?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Like, ching, 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 happy, 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 happy.
And she was just full of beans.
Oh, no, totally full of life. That's the only way I can explain it. And she's just said, and I still am, you know, and she's very, very, very sweet. Now, music is also a big part for her. Did she love music?
Oh, she loved music, absolutely.
Okay, yeah, because I feel as though music is a massive, massive part for her. And what she keeps showing me is it's all this like music. And would she sometimes walk around the house with maybe headphones on or something?
Well, she always had her iPod going, so
that's what it is. Okay, because I honestly, when I do readings, I focus on my readings, but I just had to pick up my headphones. I'm like, why am I picking up my headphones? Because she's showing me that music was very, very important. Putting her headphones on, kind of getting herself in there. She's just said, "Mom, I'm okay," and she's gone, "Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo!" And she's
that does sound like her.
She's just such a yay, kind of like I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, she was just so full of life.
Hyper. Now,
yes.
She's showing me that she passed very quick, okay?
Yes.
And there was a feeling that she never got a chance to say goodbye. Now, what she's saying is she wanted it, it was better that way. The reason is because she didn't like people being sad around her. Do you understand that? She didn't want anyone being sad. She didn't want tears. She didn't want that. In fact, she reminds me of me, how she didn't want anyone to wear black at the funeral. So did people wear a lot of different colours or different bright?
Oh, they did. Everybody was very colourful. Yes, we all knew that she didn't want everybody to be in black and be drab looking.
And that's the thing. She doesn't want that, all right? And she's very, very happy about that. She's really, really happy. And she wants you to know that she's been trying to, she was trying to get, how can I explain it? She was trying to put everybody there. Now, wearing different colours. And there was somebody who was wearing maybe some of her clothes at the time because, it's like, she keeps showing me that someone wore her clothes at the funeral, so whether it's someone wore a top or something like that. But she's smiling. She says, "I'm okay," and she didn't want like the traditional funeral, if I can call it that. She wanted something that was a little bit more fun, and I feel like you honoured her in that respect. Now, she's also given me a book. Now, have you ever thought about writing a book?
No.
All right. I don't know what this is, but whether you've thought about writing the book or someone else has thought about writing the book, but she just kept talking about writing the book, okay? And I'm going to leave that one with you, so sometimes, you don't know where that message comes from, and it's like all of a sudden 5 years later, it's like, oh, I'm writing the book. But anyway. Now.
Yeah, I'll actually ask her good friend about that and see if that rings a bell with her.
Yeah, ask that. Now, what she's also showing me here, she just acknowledged Dad here, so I'm assuming her father's still with us, correct?
Yes.
All right. Now, she wants to give a lot of love to Dad. Now, what she's showing me is that she wasn't I don't know whether she hit the two of them, her and her dad, didn't always see eye to eye. I actually I feel here that they were close at some point, but then I feel this very, the only way I can explain it was very, very pulled apart, okay? The only way I can explain it, I just feel very pulled apart. I feel like they pulled apart, and I don't understand why.
They used to butt heads quite a lot.
Right, okay. Because I just feel that it was very, very tough It was very, very tough for them to kind of get on, and that's the way I'm being shown it. All right.
Yes.
And
yes.
but what I keep seeing here is, I want you to know that she's happy, she's smiling, she's alive, she's like, way, and she's such a real fun-loving girl. And
she was.
Well, you know what? She still is.
She still is.
Still is. She still is. Her energy is and she's around you every day. She's around you every single day.
And I wonder if she could send me a sign that she's around me.
She just said, I'll give you money.
Oh, really?
So do you ever find pennies on the floor or something like that?
No, I haven't noticed any yet. No.
Right, okay. She just keeps showing me that she gives you money. Now, it could be something random where, you'll sometimes find, I don't know, in your jeans you might find money that you're like, oh my God, I forgot about that. But there's this feeling of money that she keeps trying to give you, all right? So look for that. And she's also keeps showing me the music is very, very important to you.
Yes.
Very important to you.
Yes. Well, I play her CDs in her car all the time when I'm driving it.
Right, that's what it is. So it's very, very important that you need to be aware of that. So that's her sign. She's also shown me her shoes. She loves clothes. She was very, very, fun, loving in that way. But she wants you to know that she's okay, and she's passing on her love to everybody. Does she have a brother?
Yes, she does.
Right, because she wants to acknowledge her brother here as well. Okay, so that's important for you to know that as well.
Yes, I will tell him.
Yeah. So I'm so glad that she came through, and because it was like, okay, where am I going to go? And there we are. So thank you, Carol.
So much.
Oh, you're so welcome, and I'm glad that she made it through. So thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, Lisa.